Hey, what's up guys? NPS3D here and welcome back. So in this tutorial we're going to take an overview of the Star Pack Element 3D. So if you don't have this model, go to videobomale.net blog and download the plugin model from here. So here is some result of Andrew Kramer. And I use these products same. So I want to say I make some work inspired by this work. So after the download, extract the file and paste, copy and paste into the Element 3D model pack. So let's jump on After Effects and see what we are going to create. So I make this work yesterday, and we will take another look from here. Sorry, my English is bad, but don't go on my language, just see and take the idea. And here I love this shaver. I use some lights, spotlight, optical flares, adjustment layer CC, and some data field, some camera movement. So it's a pretty cool. And one here. So we will take a look of the 4 comping 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's not complete, so we don't go there. And one thing more, my home is near the public road, so I cannot do anything. I'm so sorry about that. If you have any problem with my audio, so please mute it and just see. So in this video I first of all I use the aerial footage of the Jet Strike Pack, make them 3D and also 3D. Element 3D. So in the effect control scene setup, and here you can see the model. And one thing here, if you don't want to use this, wait, set it up, it will be good. Yeah. So it's depend on you what you do. Just play with any model in Element 3D. Use some cool lights, depth of field, motion blur, and it will be great. And you always happy with your result. So just practice and more practice. So in this video I use the Star Wars packs, the model X-Wing, and after that I go to group 1 particle replicator and move the position. You can see the position and add some sounds from Element 3D Jet Strike Pack. Use some camera movement, little bit, use some camera shake. So moving on next, here what I do in this work, I make a text, some text, start back to here. Video Copilot and Star Pack. I search the motion block here. So if I change the text here, like from ADB after effect, it will be automatically changed with lighting, everything. Yeah, good. And in the scene setup, what I use the Star Pack corridor. You can see corridor. And one thing more, if you add any model of any packs, don't forget to, or 1 minute, sorry, here, optimize mesh. Yeah, that will compress the word, I don't know. So it will help your process, I think. It will help your process. And after that, I move the position, use some texture from the process too. And in this video, sorry, in here I use some optical flare, you can see. And in the render setting, I use the red traced ambient occlusion. And the output section, I use multi-sapling, that's allowed to feather the edge, I think smooth edges, and use some curves to looking good. So I on the optical flare, I use 3 lights, you can see. It's perfect. I add the coarse adjustment and another, my favorite, tint and mozo effect. So moving on the next, saber. I am excited about this, and it is very easy. You can make it within 10 minutes, I think. So first of all, create a new solid, apply the Element 3D layer, go to Element 3D scene setup and use Star Pack lightsaber 1, 2, 3 and scale down to match 3 saber with together. And here it's a trick to the reflection. What I do, I use matte shadow on a plane and another metal on plane. So in this plane, matte shadow plane, I use to show you, sorry, here, yeah, advanced setting and the blending mode. If I hit normal, it will no longer reflecting, but 100%, and it's look like it. After that, add or screen, both are same, but I use screen and down the opacity maybe 50%, and it will be good. So hit OK, and here I use camera and adjustment layer, optical flare, and add 2 lights. So, and depth of field, use some camera movement, optical flares, color correction, and it will be cool. So perfect. Moving on next model, here. So in this video, the same process, adjustment layer, camera movement, and some lights. Let's see. Perfect. And in the scene setup of Element 3D, what I do, same thing, I use the corridor. After that, here, rotate it here. I use the BBS and the R2D2 standing and the optimize mesh. That's it. And here I use some lights, camera movement from up to down, and use some depth of field. Here you can see depth of field. I animate the depth of field. So in here it will be out of focus, and this is focus, and here this is focus, and this is out of focus. So it will helps your video to cool looking video. So I'm not well, but I cannot do anything more. So it's just a basic idea to play around with the new model pack of Video Cover. And thank you so much to Andrew Kramer and his team, because they makes us perfect, I think so, because without Element 3D we cannot expand the After Effects boundaries. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I think this tutorial, quick tutorial, or this is a short tutorial, will helps you to do something cool. So I'm NPS 3D, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.